Welcome to Japan. Today, we're introducing you to one of Japan's most iconic dishes, Wagyu Sukiyaki. Not only will we show you how this dish is prepared, but we'll also explain the proper way to eat it and share some important dining etiquette. So, let's dive in. First, what is Wagyu? Wagyu is the highly prized beef from Japan, famous worldwide for its exceptional marbling and buttery texture. The rich fat content of Wagyu gives it a melt-in-your-mouth quality, making it the perfect centerpiece for dishes like sukiyaki. Now, what exactly is sukiyaki? It's a traditional Japanese hot pot dish that brings together thinly sliced beef, fresh vegetables, and a sweet savory broth made of soy sauce, sugar, and mirin. This dish has been enjoyed in Japan for centuries, especially during cold seasons. Here's what you typically find in sukiyaki: thinly sliced Wagyu beef, vegetables such as shiitake mushrooms, napa cabbage, and green onions, tofu and konnyaku noodles, and of course, the sukiyaki broth, which is the heart of the dish. This broth combines soy sauce, sugar, and mirin, giving the dish its signature flavor. Let's move on to how sukiyaki is prepared. Sukiyaki is cooked at the table, making it a fun, interactive dining experience. First, a little oil is added to a hot iron pan. The Wagyu beef is the star of the show, so it's often seared first to lock in its flavors. Once the beef has a nice brown color, the sukiyaki broth is added to the pan, along with the vegetables, tofu, and noodles. The ingredients simmer together, soaking up the delicious broth. Now, here's a key point. Traditionally, in Japan, you dip the cooked beef into a bowl of raw, beaten egg before eating. The raw egg adds a silky texture and mellows the rich flavors of the beef and broth. Next, let's talk about the dining etiquette for enjoying sukiyaki in Japan. Using chopsticks when you eat sukiyaki. Be sure to handle your chopsticks properly. Don't point with them, and avoid passing food directly to another person using chopsticks, as this is considered impolite in Japan. Sharing food. Sukiyaki is often enjoyed in groups, and sharing is common. However, it's polite to transfer food from the communal pot to your individual plate before eating. Expressing gratitude before starting the meal, it's customary to say, "Itadakimasu," which means, "I humbly receive." And after the meal, don't forget to say, "Gochisusama deshita," which translates to, "Thank you for the meal." Finally, enjoying sukiyaki is not just about the food, it's a social and cultural experience that brings people together. Whether you're eating in a restaurant or with friends and family, it's a great way to experience Japanese hospitality and tradition. We hope this guide helps you enjoy your first Wagyu Sukiyaki experience to the fullest. When you visit Japan, be sure to try this delightful dish. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in Japan soon. Until then, itadakimasu.